Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Incanto Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the hot water, the water pump, the one that you see right here. And this is from 2018. Focus. This is from 2018, as you can see right there. So it's been there working a while. Now we're gonna be testing out this machine, starting with a little bit of hot water so we can clean our cup, get up temperature as well, and then we're gonna be using the machine to do coffee. Perfect. Now we can do one shot of espresso. You can hear the grinder spinning, grinding some beans. Now previously this machine was broken because it wasn't pulling any shots, it wasn't pulling any espresso. But after we replace the water pump, as you can see, it's now pouring the way it should. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. And great color as well. Now let's test the steam as well. And as you can see, nice steam coming out to the one. Excellent pressure, great temperature. Working excellent. So there you have it. Saeco Incanto working once again and pouring out espresso. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.